Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see the edit history of a cell in a Google Sheets. So let's go to the specific cell you want to check. So let's say I want to check this one here, right click on it and then select here show edit history from the context menu here. Now a small dialog box will appear. So let's do that again, just like that. And now the name of the person who made the changes, the data and time of the edit, the previous value and the new value will be shown. Now you can use here left and right arrows at the top of the dial box to cycle through every change ever made to the specific cell. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.